Hello again, my dear students. This is the third part or third video in solving triangles. We discussed before and we started in solving triangles, and we're still in the case of the right angle triangles. The logical order is important in this chapter. We finish the case 1 if we are given the two sides to find the third. Case 2 in the right angle triangle, my dear students around the world. If we are not given two sides, if we are not given two sides in a triangle, we must be given one angle and one side to be able to solve the triangle. At least we must be given one angle, one side. In this case, Pythagoras will fail to apply. Pythagoras only used when we have two sides, when we are given two sides of the triangle, to be able to use Pythagoras theorem. So if we are given one side and one angle in a right angle triangle, we need another theorem and another rule to solve it. That is called trigonometry. And I'll show you in a few minutes from where this name comes from. For example, this is ABC is a right angle triangle at B. B is the right angle. We agreed before that the 10 AC, which is 10 centimeters long, is called the hypotenuse of the triangle. AB and BC are the legs of the triangle. This example wants from us, or this question, you are given in this, as we introduced here, we are given in this triangle, the angle ACB is 30 degrees, so we are given the angle, and we are given the length of the side AC, which is 10 centimeters. Find the lengths of the sides AB and BC. So notice again, focus on this point, we are given one side. Pythagoras will fail because AB and BC both are unknowns. Both are unknowns. So you can't use Pythagoras. Based on this shape, from this shape, we can write 6 possible trigonometric ratios, they are called in mathematics, 6. But we are interested in, as IGCSE students, in 3 of them. Because of this, we call them, in mathematics, we call them the trigonometric ratios by comparing the sides to each other's. Trigonometric ratios. We are interested in 3 of them. There are 6 in mathematics. There are 6 in mathematics, but we are concerned in 3 of them in the syllabus of the IGCSE for Cambridge and edexcel. In ES and A level, in the future you will be taking the other ones. So, the basic 3 trigonometric ratios that we are concerned in. First one is called sine the angle. Sine the angle. That is equal to, how do you find or state the sine? By dividing O for opposite over hypotenuse. O over H. That we say it so, to make it easy to us to memorize. So S for sine, O for opposite, H for the hypotenuse. The other one is cosine, cosine, KH, C, for cosine, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. This is called adjacent. The side that is near to the angle, adjacent to the angle. Look. Next to the angle is called the adjacent. The side that is opposite to the angle. AB is opposite to the angle 30 in this triangle. ACB or BC is adjacent to the angle 30. When we divide BC or the adjacent over the hypotenuse, we give cosine the angle. Tan the angle, we get the tan the angle by dividing opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. O over A. O over A. TOA. T for tan, O for opposite, A for adjacent. Easy? So, we need to use another rule or another formula, another topic, another value, another theorem to solve a triangle with given one side, one angle, so that we are not given two sides. So Pythagoras will fail to apply, because Pythagoras again solves a triangle with given two sides that we had done in the first case. So how do you find A, B, and BC? We choose any, focus well here, any ratio of the sine or cosine or tan with the given side. For example, sine 30 we know now is equal O over H. AB is unknown, which is the opposite. So sine 30 equals AB over 10. Don't use start and explain this in the next example as well. I did, so you understand it more. AB over 10. So we have one equation with one unknown. By cross multiply 10 times sine 30 in the calculator is 5. To find BC, which is the adjacent, BC, which is the adjacent to the angle 30, cosine 30 is equal to A over H. A the adjacent, which is BC in this question, BC. So cosine 30 equals the adjacent BC dividing by 10 by cross multiply 10 times cosine 30 for three significant figures. Since we know this, our answers in the IG exams we prefer to be writing them or rounding them to three significant figures. So BC is 8.6. Are these values 5 and 8.66 as a new student in this topic? Are they correct? How can we check? We can check here using the third one for checking. Look, tan 30 in the calculator is this value. When you use the calculator, tan 30, show you in the calculator, tan 30 is equal to this value, this answer, 0.577 for three significant figures. If we divide this 5 look, 5 dividing by 8.66, you get the same value. So sometimes I use the third one or one of them to check that I did right or wrong. And you'll be understanding better in the next video as well. Thank you for today.